Hey there mobile gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest mobile gaming tricks, guides and hacks. Today I'm going to show you a super simple method to unlock unlimited gems with FIFA Rivals hack. No laptop needed, no shady downloads and definitely no root or jailbreak required. I tried it myself and the resources hit my account almost instantly. It's easy to do and I'll walk you through the whole thing step by step. Let's jump right in. To get started, you'll need to grab your player ID from FIFA Rivals. Just launch the game, go to your profile settings, and you'll spot your unique ID. It's usually a mix of numbers. Take a quick screenshot or write it down so you've got it ready for the next step. Got it? Great, let's move on to the next part. Now open your phone's browser and head over to the website I'm using in this tutorial. It's a hub for mobile game hack tools and it's where we'll make the magic happen. Search for FIFA Rivals Unlimited Gems hack on the site and click the generator that shows up. That's it, nice and easy. Once the generator page loads, you'll see a form to complete. Choose your platform, Android or iOS, and enter the player ID you saved earlier. Make sure everything looks right, then tap Connect to start linking the tool to your game account. It only takes a few seconds and everything's run through secure, encrypted servers for safety. Once you're connected, you'll get to choose how many resources you want to add. Pick the amount that fits your needs and tap Generate. The system will take over from here, running the background processes, syncing data, and doing all the technical stuff. You just sit back and let it finish up. Before your resources can appear in-game, you'll need to complete a fast human verification step. This is just a quick way to prevent bots from flooding the tool. Usually it involves downloading a free app and interacting with it for a minute or two. If you're unsure what to do, most of these pages include a video tutorial to guide you. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now go ahead and launch FIFA Rivals. Your gems should be right there in your account. I've already run through this process myself, and as you can see, it works perfectly. No endless grinding, no money spent. Just smooth, stress-free gameplay from here on out. And that's the full walkthrough on how to get unlimited gems in FIFA Rivals. If this guide helped you out, go ahead and like the video and share it with your friends who play too. Got stuck or need help with a step? Drop your question in the comments. I'm always checking in and happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always first to know when I drop a new guide, trick or mobile game hack. Thanks for watching, enjoy your new resources, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.